Welcome. In front of me I have the Garmin Instinct E, and I'll go over unboxing along with just a quick look at the device itself. Popping it open, typical Garmin packaging. We have also the proprietary charging cable, which we will need to boot up the device. Yeah, there we go. So let's grab this cable. Hopefully you can unplug that once it's plugged in. There we go, it's already booting up. Great. Okay. Now the reason I'm saying hopefully it will unplug is because I did unbox actually this watch, though not the AMOLED version, the LCD one, and once I plugged in the cable, for the love of it I couldn't unplug it. So anyway, there it is. We have I don't think this is really an LCD display, it's like one of those displays that you used to have on old watches like Timex and stuff like that. So that's basically what it is. You navigate using buttons, so there's no touch display whatsoever on here, and that also extends to a version like this one, which even has an AMOLED display. Still, though, nothing in terms of touch display. There we go. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.